you doing? So today we're going to make this really simple and beautiful chickpea and potato curry in coconut milk. It's fairly mild, it's not massively hot, it's super easy to make, and it's delicious. It's also vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we've got here is some chickpeas. I'm actually using them from a can. If you're going to use from a can, give them a nice wash in water. I've got roughly equal amounts in volume. That's just like one large potato to the chickpeas. Here I've got coconut milk. I've got 400 ml of coconut milk, one large onion or 1 cup of onions. I've got some cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that there. Here I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. That's going to be the big kind of feature in this one. Some dried chili, up to you how much you want to put in. And here I've got like 4 or 5 green cardamom pods, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're going to start this off with some coconut oil. If you wanted, you could use a different oil. Let's go, super easy. So I've got a pan here. You need a wok or a saucepan or something like that. In there I've got some coconut oil. You could use a different oil if you wanted, no problem. The heat's on above medium, and there's our cardamom pods and our dried chili. Just let them do their thing. Just for a few seconds, they'll infuse that oil. You could use mustard oil in this if you wanted, or just a regular sunflower or canola, up to you. Let's drop in that 1 cup of onion, and we're going to cook this on this above medium heat for 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, that's just 3 minutes. What we're going to do now is drop in our potatoes. Now these potatoes are raw. If you wanted, you could parboil them and speed the process up. I don't see the need to do that here today. And again, we're going to go for about another 3 or so minutes. Stand on this above medium heat, stirring often. Nice and simple, this one. So these potatoes are still very hard, but they're on their way. What I'm going to do now is add some salt before I forget. Then we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in lots of stores, depending on where you live. Or like us, you can make it yourself. I mean, we use vast amounts of it here, so much easier and nicer to make it yourself. Okay, another 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fabulous. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to drop in our chickpeas. Like I say, I'm using mine from a can. If you're going to do that, nice cold water rinse is what they need. To that, we're then going to add our powders. So let's just take another look there. So 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 cumin, 2 chili. By the way, I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder, 3 of the coriander powder. Just 2 minutes now, and keep it moving all the time because we've put our powders in. And if they burn, they will become bitter. So keep it moving, 2 minutes. Then we're going to be adding our coconut milk. Perfect. Okay, 400 ml of coconut milk, in that goes. We're going to lower the heat now. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. You've heard me say that 1,000 times, I think, if you're a regular. And let that go now for about 6 or 7 minutes. It will reduce down. What we're looking for is our potatoes to be tender. Then we're done. And that is beautiful. Potatoes are nice and tender. I've just checked them. Off goes the heat. And you can see that the coconut milk thickened and reduced down and made a really lovely masala. Simply some fresh coriander, a nice big handful, or cilantro, whatever you call that. In that goes. Now if you wanted, you could add some fresh chili to this. I'm keeping this fairly mild. We've got the dried chili in there and the chili powder. And that's it. That is fantastic. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more. Perfect for me. Let me get that on the table. And there you go, beautiful. Really, really simple. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.